Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good evening to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, I'm going to start it off like this. 5 female gas station employees from St. Catherine and another woman who work at a cafe in Kingston have been charged for allegedly using customers' bank card information to steal roughly $2 million. Una hear that? Una hear what me just say? Gas station employees and cafe worker charged for bank card fraud. One can't believe so then take people them card and go spend roughly $2 million off of the people them card. Mighty God. Detectives assigned to the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, arrested and charged the 6 women on Friday, May 3rd. They're charged with possession of identity information, simple larceny and conspiracy to defraud. According to the police, the woman who worked at a gas station conducted several unauthorized transactions by entering card information without the presence of a physical debit or credit card in October and December 2023. So my wisdom warriors, this is when I come out and I encourage you, stop save with the bank. Una na learn. Stop save with the bank. Stop save with the bank. Because saving with the bank, it is not safe. Una money not safe. You understand? Them people I know I get locked up for fraud, for thief over $2 million. And what going to happen to una money now? Una go get it back? Una go get it back? Una don't even know if una go get back the money. That I wanted that thing because the Bank of Jamaica don't care to hold me seat. The Bank of Jamaica do not care. No matter how fix Jackson, motion it, table out it in a House of Parliament, nothing. You know, hear Nigel Clark come out and say nothing about it. You understand? And he's a finance minister. So really and truly, you need to save your money on the yard. Me tell you all the time. Because you can't imagine. You can't imagine you just go a shop and you use a debit card. You know what? You see, anytime you have to make sure someone have more than one card. Make sure someone have more than one card. And make sure someone card not pass 10,000 or 20,000. You hear me? 2 million. That's too much money for the on one card. But it's not easy. That is too much money for the on one card. You need to have a savings account that is not linked to online banking. You understand me? That is not a current account. You get me? Because all them something is wrong. And that enough of them I do. So when you see the people their money are go missing, and the people them in the bank allege, always I take away the money. You understand me? Me have to use it because there's allegations out there. So the worker them in the bank always attack the money. Them know about how the money go missing. And my views, yeah, are the people views. So me have to talk on the behalf of the people. All right, that. But seriously, on a serious note, them people are they so ready eye. A thief them, you know? Thief, a pure thief they have. I work at the place them. Pure thief, I work at the bank. Pure thief, I work at gas station. Seriously, majority of them are thief. Because look what them a do. Look what them a do. Look what them do. And you can bet how much, you know what? You see when the people them got money get missing, my wisdom warriors, it look like the people them, a lot of customers I'm talking, a lot of customers that their money go missing from the bank, yeah? It look like probably them use them cards somewhere, like, you know, they do online banking and stuff like that, pay for things and whatever. And then the people then take away their money. Me see one lady come out when, I think it was earlier today, she came out and she asked NCB Bank to send back her money. She said she got there like, I think, I'm not too sure, but I think she said she got there. I don't know if I yesterday. I think she said she got there yesterday or day before yesterday. She go and 2,000 was missing. And then when she go back today, 12,000 gone. Something like that. You see what I try to show you? Then if you go and see some money missing, Yeah, my wisdom warriors, we have to use our wisdom now. From we go there and we see 2,000 missing. What that mean? That means if you draw out every single dying, you think me I go see 2,000 missing so because it's not enough. To some people a whole heap of money that, but to some people and a whole heap. And then you're gonna make it stay there. And then the next day 12,000 missing. Mrs. Are your fault, seriously. You can't say you're gonna make that slide. You can't do that. You can't have money missing from your account and talking about you making that slide when the bank is supposed to keep your money safe. Understand, the bank is supposed to keep every customer money safe. So when I see this in the article, I say, nothing about the teller them always attack with the people their money and I go and like them to know about it. Yeah, and it is wrong. It is wrong. Because none of them know with details. Remember, when we go in at the bank, them know everything, They know we account code, every blasted thing them know. Of course, they can use it and thief your money. Come on. You understand me? See, and because enough of them ready, my wisdom warriors, enough of them ready and love people things. Imagine them at work. Them at work and they still ready and them a get paid. Seriously, and them are ready for people things. These things need to be stopped. This is why I respect Fix Jackson. I respect Fix Jackson for going to House of Parliament and table this out. Even though they don't pay him no mind and it is not right. You understand? Where are the human rights in all of this? You get me? We need somebody to stand up for the customer them, man. We need people to stand up for the customer them. Them something here, it is totally unacceptable. But you tell me what you think about it, my wisdom warriors, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Opposition spokesperson on education, Senator Damion Crawford says, contribution to the sectorial debate by Education Minister Favour Williams shows that she lacks the ideas to solve the problems plaguing the sector. Wanna hear what Damion run out and say? Damion say Favour lack of ideas. She not have no ideas. Hey, remember them master said them a baby father for ideas. Hey, my wisdom warriors. Seriously, when I hear what Damion Crawford say, Damion Crawford say Favour not have no idea. She lack of ideas. 1% ideas she have. Boy, when me telling her, say, man, she really not have it. She really not have no ideas because if she go come out and talk about loud music, loud music and lewd music, cause make it pitney them violent. Mrs. A long time loud and lewd music are going from Wappy Kill Philip. I do not blame Damion Crawford. Damion Crawford, I'm with you. During her presentation, Minister Williams reiterated a slew of programs meant to address violence in schools. Wanna hear? Among those were the government safety and security protocol, which entails the training of personnel. This is what Damion Crawford is saying. Damion Crawford is saying that she name out government safety and security protocol, which entails the training of personnel, counseling at-risk children and engaging parents. She noted conflict resolution sessions, restorative justice training, parenting workshops, and the involvement of the police to search, patrol, and carry out gang intervention activities on campuses upon request. But Senator Crawford says the current programs are inadequate. Yes, of course, they not have no ideas. Them a wait for Mark Golding. You hear me? Them a wait for, it's like how Damion Crawford come out. Them a wait now till when Damion Crawford turn up in a House of Parliament and start read out now the file, one what him want to do. And then I see them take time and screech around the so and screech up the so and just steal for the ideas. At that Andrew Holness do. Remember say Andrew Holness come out and say if anybody come up with any ideas, he might go take it. But when Andrew Holness come out and said he might the best baby father for ideas, I should know that him say. He shouldn't say he is best and thieving the opposition ideas. And that he shouldn't come out and say no. He said the wrong way because I don't know where I talk about. I don't know where I talk about. So, Damion Crawford, you're on the right track, sir. You're on the right track. Because I don't know where the one Mrs. Favour she come out and a puff up fear face. Seriously, I don't know why she come out and attack pure foolishness. A pure pure foolishness galang in a House of Parliament. They not have no crime plan. No check it. No crime plan. No, the only ideas they have, them prime minister have, is baby father ideas. This is why Jamaica go down. This is why Jamaica is sinking, because they not have no ideas. Because if a prime minister go come out and say a baby father ideas he have, ratted hole. Listen, I tell we, you know, he might tell we say in lack of knowledge. He might tell we say him not have no ideas. He not have no vision. He not have no vision for Jamaica. For him vision and money. When Andrew Holness look on Jamaica, you know, and hear the word Jamaica, you know, work in partnership, you know, and stakeholders, you know, and investors and money, you know, private sector money. That's all is Andrew Holness vision. Yeah, vision enough for poor people. Wanna hear me? Enough for build up. You hear him come and talk about all get a youth for be star. No, listen to Andrew Holness. Don't listen to Andrew Holness, because if you want get a youth for be star, you would have put things in place for get a youth be star. Yes, you would have do him best, but true because them lack of ideas. Just the word where Damion Crawford used. It's a favor Williams lack of ideas. Andrew Holness too. That's why Andrew Holness draft for baby father ideas, you know, my wisdom warrior. I want to stay there. It come like we don't see what go on. We don't see what go on. Me say, when my sister Damion Crawford run out, me say, you know how long me want you run out, boss? You know how long me I wait for you? You know how long me I wait for you if you can't touch upon this? Because me just don't understand Favor Williams. What is she really doing? Me tell you how them stay. They not put something in place to reduce things, like with the crime and violence and stuff like that. They not put things in place to reduce. Whenever notice, anytime the incident happen, then they say them a run up and down, or walk about, or talk to parents, or talk to teachers. Them always a do that. And then that's it. When everything gone back to normal now, then gone again. You have to put something in place to reduce the crime and violence. You get me? This is what you have to do. And when them come out and attack, say them are going to do this, it's not really happening in the school. Me hear the teachers, them come out and say they need more guidance counselors, something like that. They've been asking for that for ages, and nothing has been done. They not get no guidance counselors. So you see she now, cock up in a House of Parliament to talk about this and workshop. Don't listen to them. A whole of that cost money. Them not spend no money upon that. You hear me? I just the hype. My wisdom warriors, it's just the hype. I'm telling you no. Yeah, me I tell you no straight up. It is just the hype. Then just want to win the general election. And that if Andrew Holness even go call it. You understand? That if Andrew Holness even go call the general election, because him a wait, you know, him a wait for the monarchy remove so him can take over. That's all Andrew Holness a wait for. This is why me tell you no, them a rush the constitution and them a rush for get rid of the monarchy. You understand me? But and under Andrew Holness watch, hey, boy, I don't know what else to say. It not gonna happen. We not allow that. We Jamaican people not going to allow that. You understand? Because we want better for your country. So Damion Crawford, big up yourself. Me like how you talk up with things them, sir. I saw me like when you come out and run out and talk up with things them. But you tell me how you feel about this, man. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. While you're at it, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my video, I want to know if you pop over to my TikTok page and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.